In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill cookies in AdsPower. This is a simple process, and it's useful when you want to load an existing session directly into a browser profile instead of logging in manually. AdsPower allows you to paste cookies while creating a new profile, and it also lets you update cookies later inside an existing one. To begin, open AdsPower and create a new profile by clicking the New Profile button. Once the profile window opens, look through the main platform settings and scroll down until you find the cookies text area. This is the section where your session data will be added. Next, copy your cookies from your source file and paste them directly into that cookies field. AdsPower can automatically recognize common cookie formats, including JSON and Netscape string format. So in most cases, you can paste the data as is without having to manually convert it first. Just make sure the cookie text is complete and clean before you continue, since incomplete or mixed data can cause the session to load incorrectly. After that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save the profile. This builds the browser profile with your active session data already loaded, which can save time and make setup much faster. If you ever need to update the cookies later, go back to your profile list and find the profile you want to change. Click the edit icon to open its settings. Then locate the same cookies text field, remove any old cookie data currently in the box, and paste in your new cookie strings. Replacing the old text completely is important so you don't accidentally keep outdated session data. When you're done, click OK again to save the changes. This updates the virtual browser session data for that profile without requiring you to create a brand new one. And that's how to fill cookies in AdsPower quickly and correctly.